Hello guys, today I will show you how to speed up your internet. Okay, now go to search and type control panel. Go to Network and Sharing Center and click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your active Ethernet. Open Properties on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP, IPv4. Click on Use the following DNS server addresses. You can type to version on this DNS servers, the second one is better. First is 8.8.8.88.8.4. Second to 08.67.2 to 2.2 to 208.67.2 to 0.220. I hope I helped you with my video today. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Take care.